Hey there, it's Jason with Threefold Solutions again. Quick announcement. Here's a big update from Planning Center on the check-in side of things. You might know what this is. I'm just going to show you. It's an old AB style USB cable. It's predominantly used for printing and connecting a printer. It's got this little square kind of end on it. Don't know if you can see that very well or not. It's not coming through very good there. It's kind of square. It looks different than your standard USB cable. And ultimately, that leads us to a new feature inside of Planning Center check-ins, and that is the Brother printers, especially the 820, but all Brother printers that happen to have a particular port. And that port looks like this right here, and that's where that square plug goes. So if you have one of these square plugs, you can now plug it in, and USB is now supported on Mac and Windows printing. So if you have check-ins and maybe you're just having some troubles with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from time to time with your Brother printer, if you happen to have that USB port on the back of your Brother printer, you can now connect it directly through USB cable to your Mac or Windows station. So ultimately it's a backup plan. And I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know if you have the latest version. So make sure you're up to date on your check-in software, download the latest version and give it a try. If you have a station that you can kind of convert, whether that's a PC or Mac laying around, give it a shot. You can now connect it. It's a big new update. There's lots of features that help Brother printers, but in this particular instance, USB was not available before. It's now available, and I wanted to make a quick video just to let you know that you can now connect your printers to your stations via USB cable if you're Brother fans like we are. Just wanted to put it out there. Again, love making these videos to help people with Planning Center. If you know somebody who would benefit from it, please share the video with them. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to keep cranking out more and more Planning Center help videos.